In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Docusign. Whether you've had a recent name change or just need to update your profile, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to start by heading over to Docusign's website. As the global leader in electronic signatures and agreement management, they make it incredibly easy to manage your documents online. Open your favorite internet browser and type in the Docusign URL or simply search for it. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and you'll see the Login button. Click on it to begin the process of accessing your account. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Simply input your username and password and hit the Sign In button. Make sure you have your login information on hand before starting, or you might get stuck trying to remember your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the Docusign home area. From here, all the tools you need are at your fingertips. Now that you're in the home area, focus your attention on navigating to your profile settings. Start by clicking the profile icon, which is usually represented as a small circle or your initial on the upper part of the screen. After clicking there, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, find and select the option labelled Manage Profile. This is where you'll be making all the necessary changes. Once in the Manage Profile section, take a look around for the Name option. It might be a little hard to spot at first, but it's a crucial part of this process, so don't rush past it. Click on Name. You should now see fields where you can update your first name, last name, or even add a middle name if needed. Go ahead and click into each field to make your desired changes. Carefully type in your updated name to ensure accuracy. After you've double checked everything, be sure to save your changes. Saving your work might seem basic, but it's an important step that confirms your new name has been recorded in the system. And that's it. With just these simple steps, you've successfully changed your name on Docusign. These updates will now reflect anytime you sign documents through the platform. It's that straightforward, and you're now all set with your updated profile information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for more helpful how-tos on navigating various digital platforms.